Hello and welcome. I've just put the black base coat on and I'm going to try and keep it minimalistic, and this is going to be some sort of earthy colours on this one. So been a while since I did that, so here we go. I'm going to do a, oh, it's not coming out. Holy dooly. Stick the doover in. See if that clears it. I just want plenty of paint where I'm going to do my pattern. So it'll just be mostly around that area. I'm going to keep the paint a little bit thicker because I'm going to blow over that area. So as said, trying to keep it minimalistic, if that is at all possible for me. So I'm going to go some white. Probably more so all the way up there. Maybe I'll do that. I'm going to go some champagne gold. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Plenty of that. I'm going to go just some metallic gold. Not too much, I guess. Like I said, I'm trying to keep it earthy, sort of, I don't know, metallic-y colours, I guess, more so than earthy. And this is unbleached titanium. So I suppose I could have used that instead of the white as well. But obviously having the black under there, this is going to change the colour a fair bit. So I was going to add this little bit of Boom Gel Pinnacle Sand. Haven't used these for donkey's years, so I don't know if they're going to be viable. Let's see if I can, oh, okay. Squirt a bit out. Okay, let's see if I can keep it minimalistic. Rosie, you've got to stay there. You do not lie under my feet, baby girl. I've just realised that a Boom Gel kind of makes cells without you even adding anything to it. So this has burst out into loads of cells, which I didn't really want from this one, but I've got it, so I'll go with it. Let's try blowing a few little soft things out. There's my duva, there's my duva. It is, just do some little wisps out, which that was nice because that was the gold. Okay, I'm not liking how it's gone all in cells. That's not what this bit was supposed to be, but I'm going to just blow some, see what this turns out like. Just blow the black into a flower effect. No, that's better. I like that. Now, if I give that a little balloon kiss to define the center. Yes, 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 yes. That's better. Lovely. I think that's better. Do flower up here. This black doesn't want to come out. Silly duffer. And I'll do one here and I'll do another one there. If I need a small one up there, maybe. Let's see how these go. Oh, that's gorgeous. That is lovely. Cloth to wipe my blooming off. It's very nice. Yeah, you can balloon kiss your paint off onto a cardstock and make your own cards for sure. Let's give this second one a go. I really like them actually. Sort of takes away from all those holy cells there. Love it, love it, love it. That's it. If you happen to take your colour out when you're balloon kissing, don't concern yourself. Just add a bit more and then blow again or use your balloon. The balloon is a wonderful tool in this kind of art for sure. One of my favourites. As if you know, follow my channel, you'll know that. But yes, I'm loving this. I'm liking that champagne gold that's coming up there, so I might add a little bit more of that in the centre there just to balloon kiss it. I'm not going to blow it out. Yeah, that's much better. Oh, yep. Yes, that is gorgeous. Well, I certainly haven't done those colours for quite a while. So it's nice to go back and have a little look. So I'm going to bring you down and have a look at this. I'm really happy with that. Might whiz over with the heat wand for sure. Okay, here we go. I'm happy with the blown black flowers in there and the champagne gold in centre, but I'm not happy because I used the boom gel and it creates cells, and I really didn't want the cells. I wanted it soft and floaty looking. So what do you think? Do I start again or leave it as is? It's kind of, yeah. It looks lovely. The colours are actually really nice. These colours sell well, but it's just not, yeah, what I wanted. The look I was going for. Okay, thanks for joining me. Until next time, bye for now.